They asked me who I am. I asked them, who was I? They asked me, who may I be? And I asked them, what have I become? They asked me, who was I? And I answered them, I am my ancestors. Judah Black, 1921.